Are you struggling to improve your English fluency? Do you want to speak English fluently or confidently? Hello, this is Neha, and in this video I'm just going to be sharing a powerful tip that's going to be help you in your English fluency. So today's tip is all about record yourself. It simply means that you have to be say something while recording. You have to be describe something like your activities, your daily habits, and even you can say about the whatever you are feeling, like how you are feeling about your emotions, about your thought patterns, and even you can describe your room, your books, and whatever you have done throughout the day you can describe. So it's all about that you have to be record make a recording of yourself while speaking. It's crucial when it comes to be becoming fluent in English, when it comes to be how to speak English confidently. So it takes time. Even it can, like, you are just going to be identify when you start recording yourself, then you are just going to come to know, okay, it takes only 1 or 2 weeks to becoming fluent, to speaking English fluently and confidently. But first of all, you have to be do that. You have to be do it for at least 1 or 2 weeks, and after that, you are just going to be see a significant difference in your speaking English. So now let me give you a few practical tips. By following them, you are just going to be record yourself perfectly. So the first point is you have to be choose a quiet and the comfortable space where you can be relaxed and where you can be focused. Next one, you have to be speak clearly and slowly so that you can understand yourself whatever you are talking about. You can understand yourself. Third one, you have to be listen to your own story, your own recording. Okay, it's just going to be like so that you can understand your pronunciation, intonation, and the rhythm as well. How you are speaking, you are just going to be understand. Okay, these are the grammar mistakes I have made here, and I'm just going to be improve them. Even you can identify the areas that need improvement, and you can make notes for areas that need improvement, of course. So you have to be write down them. Okay, these kind of mistakes I have made here, and I'm just going to be improve them. And next one is the consistency. You have to be record yourself every day. You cannot say, okay, because I have already done, I have done today, but I'm not going to be do it anymore, and because I'm not feeling good, and that's why. So these kind of excuses you don't have to be give yourself. Just record yourself every day. Now how is this going to be benefit you? There are a lot of benefits behind that. If you are just going to be start recording yourself, like suppose you have started recording yourself on the daily basis, now you are just going to be becoming fluent in English speaking because you are talking to yourself. You are identifying the areas for improvement, and even you are just going to be describe something on the daily basis. So now your mind is just going to be has started finding a lot of vocabulary. Okay, this is a situation where I have to be use the different kind of vocabulary and different kind of grammar structure I have to be used. So your mind is just going to be familiar with different kind of vocabulary and the grammar structure as well. When you start recording yourself, your and it's just going to boost your confidence while speaking, because you are going to be practice it, and practice makes perfect at any skills. We have to be understand that. Next one is just going to be enhance your vocabulary and the grammar structure as well, because you are going to be record yourself on the daily basis. Then you are just going to be find a lot of different kind of vocabulary. It would be depend on the situation about what and the what kind of scenario you are talking about, what kind of situation, about what kind of thought patterns and the emotions you are talking about. There are a lot of things that you are just going to be described there, and that's why your mind is just going to be becoming a little bit aware of your thoughts, your patterns, and your vocabulary and your grammar structure as well. So these are the benefits when you have started recording yourself. You are just going to be get them. Now that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.